Alrighty guys, drawing number 4, 14, 15, 14. Yeah, so again, drawing of a young girl's face. The first one, I can't decide whether I've made her look a little bit older or whether you can just see that there's smile lines. I don't know. But anyway, let me know what you think. So again, same routine as before, 1, 2, 3 drawings, and then the fourth area where a drawing would be is the analysis and summary of your, basically what you found out when you drew and how to improve. The first one, all three are good speeds and all three have good structure and layout and proportions. I feel the longer I draw in a day, my hand becomes warmer and I produce better results. That may be the case with most people. It probably is. It's not just me. And yeah, the first one, as I said, I don't know. I can't decide whether I put too much detail and it now looks as if she's older. But yeah, the second one you can kind of see less lines, but the eyes are slightly too big, so that doesn't really make sense. But I really like the nose and the mouth. And the third one, I like quite a lot of it, to be honest. Yes, I should have put less pressure on the left eye, but overall I'm really quite happy with it, especially the headscarf. That was quite difficult. I'd never usually draw a headscarf, but I decided to push the comfort limits and actually try something new, which I'm trying to do each drawing now, not just stick to just a face or just a body. I'm trying to incorporate different topics so I can push myself and get more out of the drawing experiences each time I draw, so that I can gain more skills very quickly. That is the purpose of it, is to gain more skills quickly and improve my art. So let me know what you think in the description box below, what you guys like to draw, what you draw to push yourselves outside your comfort zone, and yeah, happy drawing. Bye.